how to access archive chats on ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now, if you have archived your chats on ChatGPT and now you want to unarchive it or delete it, then you're in the right place. First things first, open up your ChatGPT on your browser and make sure you're logged in. Then on the top left, you'll see lines, tap on it. Then you'll see your profile on the bottom, tap on it, tap on settings, and then you'll see archive chats option, tap on manage, and there you'll be able to see your archive chats. Now you can either tap on the archive chats folder and unarchive the message or just delete it. So you just have to tap on it and it will happen in a quick and simple step. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.